Okay, now since we are done with using the gamification level up set and stash for adding items, now we're going to add game games, okay, that we can use in learning. So learning, we're going to add learning games, okay, using the two plugins known as activities game and the activities Quizventure. Now we're going to install them, of course, using this, okay, the site administration. Then we're going to plugins, then install plugins. Plugins, install plugins. Okay, I have already downloaded mod, okay, the mod game and quiz game, okay, or the quiz venture and the activities game. Now this activity module game is now being copied here, being uploaded. Then after the progress bar completed, we're going to click install plugin from the zip file. Hide, we can hide the games. By default, of course not. Then you can click save changes. Okay, we'll be also installing Quizventure, and they are categorized as activity modules. So for this, let's choose quiz game. So Quizventure. Okay, place it here. Install plugin from the zip file, and then validation passed. There you go. Install plugin. There you go. Click upgrade Moodle database now. Quizventure. Mod quiz game success. Now we have installed both plugins. We're going to go to the courses, to the aspiring VA training. Okay, virtual assistant training, aspiring virtual assistant training. Now this VA training 1, we'll be going through this. Okay, maybe we can add a, here's an outline. Then we can add an activity or resource. And as you can see, we have here the categories for games. Or you can also add Quizventure. Okay? Quizventure is converting it into a, if I remember it correctly, spaceships. It's like a space invader. game. So let's first choose Quizventure. Add. And of course we can import some maybe let's say course outline invader in space. Okay. And question category, okay. Common module setting, restrict access. So maybe we can restrict it. Level 1. Yeah. Activity completion. Can manually mark the activity as completed. So it's like an extra or a bonus activity that will contribute to the learning. Why? What are lessons under the virtual assistant chapter? Na 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 na. Let's back on the V8 to become. Oh. There. So, lesson under virtual assistant chapter. Reasons. Pop. There. Sorry. How many chapters are there? 6 chapters. There. Group created first contact center in the Philippines. Oh, okay. Maybe I can edit this one. Let's try. Let me try. Because it keeps on asking. Or maybe I should not position it here. Maybe we can delete it and position it for a later chapter. Okay. I think I'll be transferring it to the next. No. Let me just can I transfer it here? Just before the BPO industry exam. Yes. And then maybe edit the settings at least level 2, for example, or maybe level 3. For example, level 2. Okay. Now we can play the classic Space Invader using that. Anyway, next one is to use the activity module, which is games. Let's have a demonstration. So for example, we want a hangman game here. Source of questions for glossary, questions, or quiz. Quiz, only approved teacher's glossary. No, default. The training. No, maximum number of attempts. Okay, let's just say 10. Disable summaries, no. For grades, maximum grade. Grading method, highest grade, maximum grade, say 100. For the hangman options, number of words per game, maybe like, like 3. Show first letter of hangman. Show last letter, allow space in words, allow symbols in words, maximum number. Show questions, language of first user defined. Header footer options, common module settings, restrict access. Okay. Level, level 1, activity completion. Can manually mark or not sure activity complete when conditions are met. Required grade. So I think this one is compliant. So we can measure the performance of the student. So let's try to attempt the game now. Oh, error. There are no words. Okay, so how are we going to edit this one, hangman? Source of question. There should be a glossary, right? Vote quiz. Is it possible? there are no words. Huh. Now, how do we... So maybe number of course display, course overview, show all. Just go back to courses. So maybe what we need to do is to add a glossary. Okay, words. So for example, since we have course outline here, maybe we could just place. We can create a glossary just for that. Okay, let's experiment. If we're going to add an activity or resource, where can we see the glossary here? Okay, glossary, Moodle. Maybe we can find an answer here. Go. So there's a glossary module which we can pair up with the hangman. Okay, let's just go to glossary module. Oh, why in docs? Okay, anyway, let's try to have here the cryptex. Five grades max, grades 100. Restrict access, none. No, let's just say level 1 save. There are no questions. Now, we're encountering an error here.